Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates. So the first company, it is Semtech of Campus is hiring, and the second one is EY. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything. So the first company, that is Semtech of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring is for software engineer 1, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the salary of the CTC, so 10 LPA, and the work location is Pune. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so the qualification needed, it's like for BU or BTech graduates in computer science, and the batch eligible, so the recent passed out graduates are eligible to apply for this particular job role. Then the different job responsibilities and the skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So the first thing is that you need to have knowledge on programming languages, such as it can be Java programming, Scala, Go language, or Node.js, so any one of this is preferred. And you need to be familiar with the cloud services like EC2 instances, storage services S3, ECS, as well as Lambda and DynamoDB. And then you need to have experience working with RDBMS like MySQL as well as Oracle database, and the non-relational database like NoSQL. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. And apart from that, you need to have basic knowledge of Docker as well as Kubernetes. So these are the complete tech stack which is needed to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the selection process, so there are 5 different rounds. So the first round, it will be initial screening, and then the second will be the technical assessment, and then those who clear the technical assessment, so you'll be invited for the behavioral interview, so then followed by technical interview, and the last round will be the HR interview, that is final selection, and the offer letter will be given to the selected candidates. So these are the 5 rounds which are included in the selection process. Then the second company, that is EY. So the role they are hiring is for associate analyst, and the experience required, so it is for freshers as well as experienced graduates, and the salary of the CTC, so minimum it is 5 plus LPA, and the work location is Kochi. And the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so both graduates as well as postgraduate, so both are eligible to apply for this particular job role. And the experience needed, so 0 to 2.5 years of experience is eligible. And then coming to the skills, like you need to have strong interpersonal as well as excellent communication skills, both in written as well as verbal, and you need to be proficient with MS Excel as well as MS Word, and good analytical thinking. So these are the only skills which are needed to apply for this particular job role. Then coming to the selection process, so there will be 1-to-1 interview, and the duration of the interview, it is 30 to 45 minutes. So there will be 1 to 2 interviews. So based on your communication skills and your skills with MS Word and everything, so you will be considered for this profile. So these are the, like, there is no any assessment and all for this, like only there will be direct interview. So then coming to the application link, the first company, that is Semtech, so it is through Workday Jobs. So there there are 4 different ways to apply for this role. So you can autofill with resume, or you can directly apply with LinkedIn, or you can apply manually, or if you already have the account with Workday Jobs, you can use your last application and to update the resume, like whatever skills they have mentioned. So you can add those and agree some of the terms and submit the application form. And for the second company, that is EY, so you need to create the separate account, then later you can just log in with your credentials and you can just start your application and submit. So the link for both of these job roles, so it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.